Yes, I'm out of tissues. Still. If you'd like to cash at me money for some, you can. So, I had a pretty eventful month. It was my birthday this month. Getting pretty old now. And celebrated it by having a huge party with a bunch of friends. We played Killer Queen, and there was a potluck. Oh my god. The potluck was good. My friend made Brussels sprouts. And I really like Brussels sprouts. Like a lot. And the way he makes them is really good. My boyfriend made my My boyfriend made my favorite kind of pizza, honey garlic Alfredo. And that was fire. And then he baked cupcakes, vanilla and banana. We tried the Dolly Parton banana cupcakes that were at Walmart. And then I frosted them, chocolate. And then I sprinkled them and another friend brought Coke, which is good because I like my Coca-Cola. And it was fun. I got a few presents. One of my friends got me sleeves for my magic cards. I was gonna sneeze. I think I might just need more chutney. He got me sleeves for my magic cards and a deck box, and the sleeves have Galarian Ponyta on them, so I was really happy about that. I know they're not Pokemon cards, but it's an Angel, Demon, and Dragon deck, and we couldn't find any Angel, Demon, or Dragons to do that with that were on the backs of any. Chew! like crying. That's pretty much it. That's how it went. Thanks for watching.